Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Lexus infotainment to active. This wakes the Bluetooth stack. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. This lets the car find it. Now go into the Lexus audio or phone menu and select the Bluetooth or add device option. You do this first because the car initiates pairing. You'll save time by doing these 3 steps in sequence, since the car times out if the phone isn't visible. You'll see a list of devices. Select your phone name on the Lexus screen and wait for the PIN to appear. Once the PIN shows, compare it with the number on your phone and confirm on both devices. This secures the connection. After pairing, make sure to accept prompts to allow contacts and message access if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. If you decline, you'll still stream audio, but calling will be limited, so accept for full features. You finish by setting the phone as the primary Bluetooth device in the Lexus menu so it auto-connects next time. Once connected, test a phone call and a music track. Make sure audio routes to the car and the mic picks up your voice. If it doesn't connect, try this single troubleshooting step. Reboot your phone and the car system, then remove old pairings and repeat the pairing process. This clears stale profiles and resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.